What's going on, YouTube? So welcome back to the channel. Hope you guys are having a great day. Yes, I am filming in the closet today. I mean, it's always raining in Florida. I mean, it's like the driest place I go right now. But yes, we do have a new mod in today, and we are going to be installing it tomorrow morning when I head down to the shop. So yeah, new mod, and we're going to do a little bit of updates on the boat as well, and we're also going to do an update on the 69 Pontiac. Also, we're gonna do an update, probably a new project, possibly. New project. We all love a new project. But yeah, stay tuned, check it out. Here we go. Listen, I'm not gonna waste any time. I'm just gonna start unboxing because I've been waiting for this thing and I've been itching for it. So there it is. It's not that big. So let's do it. All right. What we got here? Oh no, we got a bag in a bag. What? Oh, man, I hate when they do that. A bag in a bag, bruh? Oh, hell yeah. Oh yeah, that's good. What else we got here? Oh man. Oh yeah, let's go. What else? What else we got? Okay. Feel like I'm building a little race car with all this kind of. Got a little switch. Let's go. And let's do this, man. We lit. Nothing else. So yeah, there we go. So here they are. I'm guessing they done sent me something extra, but these are the fogs. You are. These are the fogs that go for the Cervini bumper. This is the wiring kit. And this is just something extra. Got the trans out. Took the trans apart, y'all boys. Oh, we about to build something. Yeah, so I think we might be heading out to the track one of these days, hopefully soon. Heading out to the track, get you guys some track videos, and yeah, you know, might be running this thing one of these days on the track, huh? Y'all boys want to see the Mustang on the track, see how fast it go. Y'all want to see how fast this thing go? Welcome back, guys. Just want to give you guys a little update on the big old yacht that we got. Wow. This is a big ass boat. Really, really big boat. So yeah, she's still here. She's still here. Still giving us some TLC. As you can see from my last update on the boat. Just giving some TLC. But yeah, she's still here, y'all boys. She's still here. Cooling. Ready to put in some more work tomorrow. Got this beautiful thing over here. Did end up getting it working. Yo! Let's go holler at my man Tuck, man. Let's say what's up to the duckies first. Got the ducks, the birds. Got the whole farm gang over here, man. Doing something with this one. I think I'm gonna just clean it out tomorrow. Clean this boy out tomorrow. And then we're gonna see what we're gonna do with it. Oh yeah, boys. Cleaning her out tomorrow. Got some water over here. We got a drain out. You got a drain plug right here. Drain out some of that water. You should see it coming down right there. Let that drain out for a sec. Okay. Got in there, y'all. Hold on, y'all. Trying to take this thing down. Got it, y'all, boy. Ooh, we got there. She hidden a little bit, but we gonna see her. Let's get out of here. This is kind of sketchy, y'all, boys. Definitely sketchy. Oh, Alright. Plug this back up for now so I don't forget it. Get my lights. Let's go. Wow, that was a fall. But we good. We good. Woo! Damn. Look at the fitment on them tires though, man. Damn. It's a bad mother lover. Watch your mouth. This boat just... We need to do something with this boat right here. Of course, you got this thing. We trying to put lights, fog lights in there, man. Trying to put the fogs in there today, baby. Trying to get lit. We working on something else right now.
There you go, bro. Yes, sir. Yeah, set that down on there. I plugged it in the other day. It still works.
Okay.
But I gotta make sure the part's available before I rip. It's under here. It's real easy to do.
Okay, okay. They went there to go get it?
They got the wrong one. I thought I was being slick, lady.
Yeah.
Now I'm calling AutoZone.
Yeah, they should be pulling up by right now to AutoZone.
Well, they forgot their money too. They had to go clean across town. He forgot his wallet.
Oh, shit.
There's the Tundra guy.
Okay.
I got to move that truck. It's right in the damn way. So we're going to bring it up here and figure out this, that, and the other. But I got a angle on the dangle. You know, I got to figure it out. I got it all figured out here. I got to go get 4 or 5 more of these lights from him. The go on the door here.
Yeah, for the outside.
I missed the tree. And then through there, and he's not using them. They're just sitting out in the rain behind in his truck bed, brand new. They're used to still busy.
Yeah. Race car parts.
Oh my God. That's good, huh? Keep it up.
Go. Should I use these or should I sell these?
Get one? Yeah. Yes, sir. Yeah, it's an 04 Honda. What's the receipt on the
Yo, what's up, bro?
Hey man, how's it going?
Doing good, man.
Man, what the hell is that?
Man, got the little
Oh,
tripod
your
going.
little, oh, okay.
Trying to record and make it as a vlog.
Yeah.
I was working in the shop. I gotta catch you working, man. You be riding that 4-wheeler, man.
Sick of doing this shit.
Oh, Lord. You gotta pass it on down.
Yeah.
Yep.
Automatic.
Let's see if he gonna get that ready. I'm actually trying to put in some fog lights today on the
Oh,
Mustang. Yeah. This is a little difficult because I don't know about the wiring and stuff like that.
Doesn't it have places for it?
Yeah, we got some because I bought an aftermarket bumper
Yeah.
and it has the places for it and everything at the bottom. Got the right size.
Yeah.
I told them
I just
you
don't know
guys
about
was
wiring.
behind the battery, but they probably forgot.
So I'm gonna just go over there and try to figure it out though.
It's one of those big round ones, three inches in diameter.
About to get rid of this boat. Clean it out a little bit today. Clean it out a little bit. Here are my tools right here. My machete, clips. Still got whole lot of work to do. Not that much work, but it's simple. But yeah, she needs to get gone, y'all boys. Woo. Got them ponies out here. So yeah, let me go ahead and try to figure this out. Let's see, we get these fog lights in there, baby. Let's go. So there it is, YouTube. Y'all done got it. Y'all done seen the fog lights. So sorry I didn't have a how-to video this time. Maybe next time I'll do it. But it was my first time. It's always my first time doing basically everything to this car. It's my first project car. You feel me? So yeah, there it is. I ain't gonna hold y'all up, you know what I'm saying? Just watch out for my next video. Drop a comment down below. Like this video. Subscribe. And that's about it, you know what I'm saying? Just look out for your boy. I got plenty more mods coming, like I said. My first project car, Mustang, and that's how we rocking, baby. Let's do it.